This is our annual open house. We have, I think, 11 food trucks. DJ Gabe Vega is doing live music. We have the silent auction, we have the raffle. And so we open it up for all of our partners and our vendors, and we have open the factory to show basically anybody who wants to come how and why we do what we do.
It's been impressive to watch the event grow. This year there's at least 300 or 400 cars and several thousand people. And it's a good time. I'm happy to be here, and shout out to HRE for continuing to do it.
So we're at the HRE Open House. They're one of Mother's partners. We came out to support them and also advertise our product and educate people on how to use our product. The people that come to these events are car enthusiasts, and it's fun to have people come and have their dream car be at a show and have something to aspire for, something down the road that they may be able to achieve.